Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if can't receive text messages on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is worked properly. After check internet connection, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search messages app from here. Click on messages app. Click on storage cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache messages app. After clear cache messages app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, you will see first option is my phone. Click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app. Scroll down and click on system. Scroll down and click on reset phone. And click on reset all settings. And click on reset. Enter phone pin. And you will check your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix can't receive text messages on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.